For us here at Smartmove, it's been very much about getting an understanding of actually what the specialist lending is. We historically have new specialist lenders, and really over the last 12 months, I suppose, we've had our eyes open to what a specialist lender can really provide us. Certainly that's come through education, understanding, working close with the BDM, the credit teams, and that's really now, it forms part of our offering. So probably when we sort of talk historically, what does 5 years look like, and that probably don't have a great picture of it because it's really not where we've played. But today, after having that education piece, it's really helping us now meet a lot more clients' needs than we've ever been able to do before.
Specialist lending used to be about the non-conforming loans, about people that were bankrupt or had defaults, and it was about high rate. It was about get the client in and really not have a path for them to move forward because of their situation. Now it's a little bit more about being able to service a general population. So we have the products on our panel because you've got to have a product to suit everyone. So you might get a client, we had a client who was 90% and their credit score declined everywhere, and it was a refinance. But people were able to do that deal and match the major's interest rate because they don't credit score. So it's gone from being about the default and the really poor customer or the customer with a bad financial situation to having prime products.
I think it's become more around solution building rather than specialist lending. I think in the old days it came across with a bit of a connotation that it was people who couldn't get another loan came for a second tier, third tier, alternate choice or desperation. I don't believe it's positioned like that anymore at all. It feels more like a stepping stone to still achieve the results they need to achieve with modified choices. So I think the specialist lending is more a solutions-driven thing and much more acceptable. I think also too the positioning of the fee structure and the positioning of the actual product choices within the specialist product range has allowed it to be much more flexible and much more usable, I'd say, by everybody.